The DJI Flip Parallel Charging Hub can charge batteries, accumulate power from multiple batteries to one battery, and supply power to external devices. Charging batteries. Mount batteries to the charging hub, making sure to insert the protrusion on the battery into the groove of the charging hub, and then press the battery until you hear a click. Connect the charging hub to a power outlet using a USB-C charger. If the charging power of the charger is 65 watts or above, the charging hub can charge 2 batteries simultaneously. If the charging power of the charger is less than 65 watts, then the charging hub will charge the batteries in sequence based on their battery levels, from the highest to the lowest. The status LEDs blink in sequence during charging and turn solid on when the battery is fully charged. Accumulating power. Mount multiple batteries on the charging hub. Press and hold the function button for 3 seconds to start transferring the power from the batteries with the lower power level to the battery with the highest power level. The status LEDs for the batteries with the lower power level will display at the current power level, while the status LEDs for the battery with the higher power level will blink in sequence. To stop accumulating power, press and hold the function button for 3 seconds again. After stopping power accumulation, press the function button to check the power level of the batteries. Using the charging hub as a power bank. The charging hub can work as a power bank to supply power for external devices. Mount batteries on the charging hub. Connect an external device to the USB-C port of the charging hub, and then press and hold the function button for 3 seconds. Batteries will be discharged based on their battery levels, from the lowest to the highest, supplying power to the external device. To stop charging the external device, disconnect the external device from the charging hub.